Did you know that just 168 Spanish soldiers conquered an empire of 12 million people in less than 2 years? In 1532, Francisco Pizarro arrived in Peru with a tiny army. The Inca Empire was the largest civilization in the Americas, stretching across modern Peru, Ecuador, and Bolivia. Their emperor Atahualpa commanded millions of warriors. But Pizarro had a deadly plan. He invited Atahualpa to a peaceful meeting in the town of Cajamarca. When the emperor arrived with thousands of unarmed followers, Spanish soldiers hiding in buildings suddenly attacked. They had steel weapons, horses, and gunpowder, technology the Incas had never seen. In minutes, they captured the emperor alive. Atahualpa offered a ransom that would equal $50 billion today, enough gold to fill an entire room. The Spanish took every piece, but then they did something unthinkable. They executed the emperor anyway. Meanwhile, smallpox was killing millions of Incas who had no immunity to European diseases. Within 2 years, the mighty Inca Empire had fallen to fewer than 200 men.